Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a home to show you that is only 2 years old. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, located in Maison Trace subdivision in Mandeville. This house has fabulous curb appeal and it's absolutely beautiful on the inside. Let's go in and take a look. This home just welcomes you in with this massive foyer. It makes such a statement when you walk into the home. Now, one of the great things about this house is that it features a split floor plan. So in the front of the house, we have 2 bedrooms and a shared bath. We are now in the first of the 2 bedrooms. This is such a great size. You can see there's all of this office furniture and still plenty of room. This is a great size for a bedroom. Now, as we step into the hallway, we are moving into the shared bath. There are so many wonderful upgrades in this house, including the 3-centimeter Blue Nile granite. Absolutely beautiful. There's a tub and shower combination right there behind me, and now we are heading into the second of the 3 bedrooms. One of the wonderful things about this home is that there's no carpet anywhere, including the bedrooms. There's this beautiful neutral colored vinyl plank flooring, absolutely fantastic. All right, there's still lots more to see. Some really great features about this home are right across the foyer from those bedrooms. Right here we have the entrance to our 2-car garage. There is a fabulous mudroom area right here where you can set your things as you're coming into the home, and behind me is a huge storage closet. So many uses for that space, so versatile. All right, let's keep going. Now we're heading back through the foyer, and in addition to that huge closet that I told you about, we have an additional coat closet right here. This house has no shortage of storage space, which I absolutely love. Now, we're in the main living area, and I love it because it's open concept. It is wide open. It is so spacious. There's this entire wall of windows right in front of me that has this great view of green space, letting in so much natural light. Another wonderful thing about the upgrades in this house is that they chose to put crown molding throughout all the main living areas as well as that massive foyer. So now we're in the dining area. Plenty of room here for a table for 6. And in addition to that, there's still a lot of room at this breakfast bar for additional seating. Now we're in the kitchen. I love this space. Of course, I love that it's completely open to the living room, but the 3-centimeter granite, the stainless appliances, there's a corner pantry that's absolutely huge. It has the wonderful wood shelving. This house is absolutely amazing, but there's still so much more to see. I love the laundry room in this house for many reasons. First of all, it is so conveniently located right across from the primary suite. It's spacious. It has this beautiful cabinet here to keep all of your things nice and tucked away and out of sight, and it has a very spacious linen closet. All right, we're going to take a look at the primary suite next. This is such a great primary suite, has so much to offer. So of course this room is a great size. This can so easily fit a king-size bed and so much furniture. There are 2 windows that give you that beautiful view to the backyard and the green space, and of course lets in lots of natural light. Now, heading into the ensuite bath, this space has so much to offer. It has the deep soaking tub, the 4-foot separate shower. We have the long dual vanity with, of course, that beautiful 3-centimeter granite, lots of storage, drawers in the center, and then you should see that closet. It is absolutely massive. All right, let's go take a look at the backyard. This is such a great backyard. So you step onto the concrete covered patio. This is such a great cozy space to sit outside and just enjoy the outdoors, the view of the green space. And then the yard is fully fenced all the way around. This home has everything. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.